Welcome to the ultimate science and nature quiz, your chance to boost your brain power. Let's find out how much you really know about the world around you. What gas do plants absorb from the air? Answer C, carbon dioxide. What is the chemical symbol for water? Answer C, H2O. Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer B, Mars. What part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Answer C, leaves. What is the process of water turning into vapor called? Answer C, evaporation. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Answer B, mitochondria. How many legs does an insect have? Answer B, 6. What force pulls objects toward Earth? Answer B, gravity. What is the main gas in Earth's atmosphere? Answer B, nitrogen. What do bees collect from flowers? Answer C, pollen. Which planet is closest to the sun? Answer A, Mercury. What type of energy does the sun produce? Answer B, nuclear. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Answer C, Jupiter. What do you call animals that eat only plants? Answer C, herbivores. What natural disaster is measured using the Richter scale? Answer B, earthquake. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? Answer B, 0 degrees C. What vitamin do you get from sunlight? Answer B, vitamin D. Which gas do humans need to breathe? Answer C, oxygen. Which bird is known for mimicking sounds? Answer B, parrot. What is the molten rock beneath Earth's surface called? What do we call animals that are active at night? Answer C, nocturnal. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? Answer A, 100 degrees C. What part of the body controls thinking? Answer B, brain. What is the outermost layer of Earth called? Answer C, crust. Which animal is the largest mammal? Blue whale. What is a scientist who studies plants called? Which planet has rings around it? Answer A, Saturn. What do we call rain, snow, or hail falling from the sky? Answer B, precipitation. What is the unit of electric current? What kind of energy is stored in food? Answer A, chemical. Which animal is known to change its color for camouflage? Answer B, chameleon. What is the center of an atom called? Answer A, nucleus. Which planet is known for its big red spot? Jupiter. What do you call the study of weather? Answer B, meteorology. What causes tides on Earth? Moon's gravity. Which part of the plant absorbs water? Answer A, roots. What's the main source of energy for all life on Earth? Answer C, sun. What is the name of the scientist who proposed the theory of evolution? Answer A. What gas is used in balloons to make them float? Answer C, helium. Which planet is known as the Earth's twin? Answer A, Venus. Which natural resource is used to make glass? Answer C, sand. What tool is used to measure temperature? Answer C, thermometer. What is a group of stars forming a pattern called? Answer B, constellation. What is the scientific name for the windpipe? Answer B, trachea. What is a baby frog called? Answer B, tadpole.